Are you looking to unlock your full potential and achieve lasting success and happiness? Look no further than The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. This groundbreaking self-help book offers a values-based approach to leadership and personal growth, focusing on what Covey calls the character ethic. The first habit, be proactive, emphasizes personal responsibility and taking control of your actions and attitudes. Instead of reacting passively to external events, proactive individuals focus on what they can control and work to expand their influence. Covey's second habit, begin with the end in mind, encourages defining clear goals and creating a personal mission statement to guide decision-making. This habit ensures that daily actions align with long-term aspirations. Put first things first is the third habit, highlighting the importance of time management and prioritizing important but non-urgent activities. This approach focuses on meaningful progress rather than just responding to immediate pressures. The fourth habit, think win-win, emphasizes mutual benefit in interpersonal relationships. Covey promotes an abundance mentality, fostering trust and cooperation for shared success. Seek first to understand, then to be understood is the fifth habit, focusing on empathic communication and active listening to build strong relationships and find better solutions. Covey's sixth habit, synergize, encourages creative collaboration and valuing differences to achieve innovative solutions that are greater than the sum of individual contributions. The final habit, sharpen the saw, focuses on self-renewal in physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual dimensions to maintain long-term effectiveness and avoid burnout. Overall, the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People promotes internal change and aligning actions with enduring principles for personal growth and interpersonal effectiveness. Covey's holistic approach cultivates character and integrity, leading to genuine success and happiness. If you're ready to take control of your life and achieve lasting fulfillment, consider embracing these 7 powerful habits.